Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're doing my nails. Of course, as you can tell, we're taking off my little camo star nails, which I loved so much, like so much, a ridiculous amount. And we're doing some like charm junk nails with a few new products that I've gotten in from Mosteve. Does anyone know how to pronounce that name? I do not. Anyways, so we're first starting by removing my old set. I had put the Jello peel off base on underneath. So basically I'm using the 1 kill remover to loosen up the gel, and then I'm going in and kind of pulling it up a little bit so that way I can put more oil on and remove these nails a little bit easier. If you've watched any of my other videos before, then you know the 1 kill remover, or sorry, the Jello peel off base coat isn't my favorite. I think it's good in some circumstances for sure, but it's not my favorite for regular use. So I believe this next time that I'm going to use it again today, marks the last time that I use it, because this last time I think my nails weren't the greatest. Anyways, so peeling off that, you can see there's a bit of residue left behind from that, which I think is like the good part about Jello is when it peels off, oftentimes there is residue, which means it's not pulling up your natural nails, but sometimes there's a bit of both. So I'm just kind of scraping at the residue there, and then I'm just going to brush that off and then go in and start on my prep. So just pushing back the cuticles. You can see my nails are, I mean, they're not in terrible shape. They've been in better shape though. But yeah, that's one of the things, is I do think that my nails are best suited for just kind of like a file off situation, or file down to a clear layer, so I just have like product on my nails all the time. That way they're just protected, which is what I do for all my clients, and all my clients' nails are in great shape, so I should treat my own nails the same. Anyways, I'm going in with my Erica's ATA nib bit here. This is my favorite little bit. It just like pops the cuticle up and then gets off some of the dead cuticle that's attached to the plate, and then it makes it really easy for trimming cuticle because everything's kind of like lifted and separated from the nail plate, which is just lovely. So I'm using that. I go in forward direction and then I switch and do reverse and get the other side. Yeah, it's great. And then after that I'm going in and I'm just trimming off any of the dead skin, both like kind of down the sidewalls and around the top. That cut on my finger, I don't know if I mentioned it before, I got it on a bottle of Worcestershire sauce. Like I put my hand into my fridge and all of a sudden I felt this pain, and it was from the cap of a Worcestershire sauce lid, which was annoying and random. But now I'm going in with a buffer. So usually I prep my nails with an e-file and I use a sanding band. But I don't know what my thought process was for this. I'm using both the 100 and 180. Right now I'm using just the 180 side. Now I'm swapping to the 100 side of the buffer and just doing a gentle buff to prep my nails. I don't know if I thought this would be better for the Jello. I'm not really sure. It was a different choice for me. Anyways, it did the trick. Still, my nails lasted well, so that's all that matters. And then this is also helping to like get rid of any of that leftover residue as well. And then just going in with my hand file and shaping my nails. I've been doing like a soft square lately, taking them as short as I can really, and lots of my clients have been doing that as well, which is fun. I know not everyone hates the soft square. Lots of people hate a soft square when it's longer, but I think it looks really cute on short nails. Like sure, a sharp square looks great, but I think a natural kind of like soft short square is amazing. So I've been doing that a lot, but you do have to remember that when you have corners on your nails, they're more likely to break. So I mean, these aren't sharp corners, so they're less likely than a sharp square. But if your nails are super weak, then sometimes a square isn't the best option, because your nails can like catch, you know. Sometimes just a round ovally situation is good for everyone. Now I'm going in with the Jello peel off base coat. Similar, I believe I did it last time, similar to last time. I'm going to paint a layer, but I'm not going to go all the way to the edge. That way, because I find when my nails were chipping and peeling, it was always right at the edge. So I figure if I do it right before the edge and then I go over with a regular base coat, then maybe I won't have any adhesion issues on the free edge, which I've seen lots of people do the same, but they'll just do directly in the middle, like not even get the sidewalls. But I never found I had any lifting with the Jello on the sidewalls or around the cuticle area. It was really just the free edge, so that's why I'm doing it this way. So I'm just applying a thin coat of that to all of my nails and removing the fluff from the lint-free nail wipes. I hate that when lint-free nail wipes just leave lint. So dumb. Anyways, just gonna apply that to all of the nails, and then we're gonna move into the design. I really love today's design. I think it's super cute. I had a really fun time wearing it. And I really love like junk nails on short nails. I think they're so cute. I mean, I love them on long nails too, but I think they're so cute on short nails. Just like having the most on such a small surface. I mean, it helps that I have long nail beds, so it's not too bad to cram all that crap on, but you know. And then this is just the Gel Bubbles rubber base coat, which I do enjoy. I've been having a very productive day today when I'm doing this voiceover, and so I'm a little bit tired. I literally did all the dishes, all the laundry, went for a walk. I'm like gonna have a nap, edit this video. So if I'm a little low energy in the voiceover realm, because I also didn't have another coffee today. That could be it. Probably should have done that. What time is it? Oh, it's too late for a coffee. Never mind. Okay, now I'm going in with the yogurt gel. This is the gelato collection. I'm just showing you all the colors I'm using. I'm going to do one color on every nail because it brings me joy. So this is syrup collection, so they are sheer. So I am going in, I'll do 2 coats of these. And with this set, I didn't do any builder layers or anything, which where was I going with that? I usually do like at least a bit of a thick layer, but I'm going to be putting so much gel and stuff on top of these nails that it really wasn't necessary. Like I'm going to be doing 2 coats of this and 1 coat of another gel and then loading it up with all the charms I can muster. So there wasn't a purpose for it. But I've been really, like, this is my first syrup gel collection. And I really love it. I love it so much. So I know I have some more syrup gels on my way right now, which I'm really excited for. They're like neon syrups. But yeah, I'm really enjoying using them. And the fact that they're nice and buildable, like you can leave it at 1 coat. I'm going to do 2 coats today, which still gives you a bit of sheerness, but you can even build it up to 3 coats, which really gives you quite a nice bit of coverage while still like giving like the kind of softer syrupy vibes. It's quite delightful. Look how cute those colors are. Also, I got these from Sweetie Nail Supply, which I am a brand ambassador for. So if you do any shopping on Sweetie Nail Supply, feel free, sorry, stumbling over my words there, to use code Rebecca for 10% off. That's where basically all of my Korean gels come from. Is Sweetie Nail Supply. They're based in Toronto, so if you're local to Toronto, it's great. The shipping is super, super fast, but they also ship internationally, which is amazing. So these are the Mosive. Oh, look at that. I don't even remember what the collection is called. I'm just so mesmerized by that. But I'll have it linked down below. They're so beautiful. So they're like these sheer toppers that kind of give like a chrome effect, like kind of a pearly threaded chrome vibe. So basically I just put the blue one on the blue and purple nails, and now I'm going in with the pink reflective one and I'm putting that one on the pink, and then there's a green one and I'm gonna put that on the green. But like they just in real life they're really, you can really see them. You can see them less so on camera, but in real life they're quite a bit more intense, and they're just absolutely beautiful. I'm putting the pink one on the yellow there too. They're so, like, it just looks like a nice healthy shine right now in this video, but yeah, they're like, I don't even know how to describe it. I have photos on my Instagram. You can go check them out there at Rebecca Pace Nails. They're like absolutely beautiful. It literally looks just like you put chrome on. So now I'm gonna make a charm for my little nails. So I bought this little, what's it called? Mold, and I'm gonna use the Daily Charm hard gel in the tube, squeeze a bit of that in there, and then kind of wipe away any of the excess that got on the outside, and then bang that down, make sure it levels, get rid of the bubbles, and then I'm gonna pop that into the light and cure that for 60 seconds. And then I'm grabbing one of my little cat stickers because it's so cute. And I'm gonna flip that over so it's face down and stick that right into the mold there. And then press it in, use a silicone tool to really press that in there. Make sure it's all secure. Cute. I'm just gonna do this one clear. I'll apply another one to my nails that I've done a little bit of glitter and stuff on the back, but this one I'll just leave clear. So then I'm just going in with more of the Daily Charm gel and filling that up. And again, I'm gonna bang that down so it levels out, gets rid of all those air bubbles, and then pop that into the light. Now when it comes out, it's gonna have a tacky layer because I'm using gel to make it. So I'm just gonna wipe that clean with some alcohol. Like, oh my god, I cannot. I'm obsessed. And then I'm going in with my Show Me Clear Artist Gel. And I love having like a potted gel like this where I can just kind of like dunk things into it. It makes my life a lot easier. So I'm gonna give that a little dip and then pop that right onto the nail. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Even watching this back, I'm like, I need to make more of those. They're so cute. I want to find like a cheap tube. I mean, yeah, that Daily Charm tube of hard gel is like 45 bucks. I'd love to find something that's cheaper just for making charms, because I do find I have made them with resin now too, and I do find that they last nicer in hard gel when it comes to nail stuff. So I just dunked one of those little pearl stars into the gel as well, and I dunked it on both sides because with pearl, a lot of the time the like finish will wear off of it. So just to make sure it's like fully secured. Now I'm doing the same thing with the My Melody charm, which I really didn't need to. I only needed to dunk the backside. I don't know, I lost my mind a little bit apparently. Because I can just top coat that one and it'll last fine. It won't wear down or anything. So I'm just positioning that into place, and then I'm gonna grab a little brush and I'm gonna start kind of spreading that gel around and wiping some of the excess gel off of the charm, just to make everything a little bit more smooth and like get some of the detail back in My Melody charm. And I'm gonna use some little star sequins. I freaking love those. I want to put them on everything. I don't know why I go through such like phases of being obsessed with doing the little sequins on everything. They're so cute. And then I'm gonna flash cure that, get everything into place before popping my hand in the big light. I'm using the Diami Pin Cure light, which is amazing and so cute, and it comes with a lanyard. So it's great. And then I'm just kind of filling in some more decorations. Put another glitter star there, putting some little pink stones. They're like soft pastel kind of clouded pink stones underneath the little cat heart as well. Just like trying to add all the cuteness. And give that a cure. Oh, and then I'm going with my Mosteve, what's this called? Melang Mood Gel. This one's in pearl, and so I'm gonna make a little 3D bow for my nail. So basically I've just scooped out a little bit of that. I'm rolling it out. If you put alcohol on your gloves, it'll help it to not stick. It's best to not use your fingers for this kind of stuff. It's best to use gloves because it is uncured product. And I've seen lots of creators actually putting some Scotch tape around their fingertips, which looks like it lends well to not being sticky. So I'm just arranging it into a little bow. First I start with the little bow part. And the nice thing with this too is you can always go in with tools and like kind of rearrange them, mash them, that kind of thing. And then you can always, if you need to wipe it right off, you can as well, which is handy. I'm going in with the little ribbon part and then just kind of adjusting that how I like. How sweet. So I'm just using my silicone tool there to push everything down. Because like I bought these tools that are made for like polymer clay sculptors, and they work wonders. I just bought them off of like Amazon. So I'm going to make a star. So I grabbed the blue beam gel and I'm just kind of like using the tool to push into the edges. It's going to be very rough, and then I don't want it to be an actual star, like I want a weird misshapen one. So I'm just kind of getting into the general shape, and then once I pop it on my nail, then I can fully like customize the shape to fit on my nail. But I'm using just this little peel and stick pad there for that. And I'm gonna squish it on my nail and then start arranging the little points. And then, yeah, using the silicone tool to kind of shape it the way I want so it fits my nail as I like it. And then I grab my little pearl tray. I'm plopping one of those in there and doing the same with a little clear crystal. It's nice because if you're working with this 3D gel, you can stick stuff in it and then cure it, and it's just in there. You don't have to worry about gluing it in or anything like that. Then I'm grabbing some more stickers, so just a little bow sticker, and then this one, which has a typo, because they all say I love you forever, but this one says I love you forever, which I thought was very cute. So popping those on my nails and then putting a little bit of clear gel on my nails as well, because I wanted to stick another one of those little star sequins on there. Keep up with the theme. And then after I've cured that, I'm taking the Daily Charm hard gel in a tube and I'm just making a big bubble basically over top of the words, and then curing that. And then I'm just going to go in and basically add a bit of clear gel places, add some more of these little glitter stars. In hindsight, I wish I had started by laying down the glitter stars on a bunch of the nails and then just working over top of them, so sometimes you just got little bits and pieces. But you know, I did not. So now I'm going in with my Gin Bee Crazy Top Thick Top Gel, and I'm just going kind of around the base there and like covering the stars, because I didn't cap in the stars really in like a super thick gel to like even everything out. So I'm using that top gel there because it's quite a bit thicker, and then I'm going in with my Izemi Resin 99.9 top low top coat over the other items, so like over the charms and stuff like that, things that don't need to be like really encapsulated in, and just need a thinner top coat. So I'm going over the top of those. And there we have it, the finished set, one hand at a time. How cute are these? I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next one.